A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, U.S. District Judge Indira Talwani has issued a temporary restraining order that prevents the Trump administration from executing major cuts to federal funding for Planned Parenthood. This ruling comes just days after President Trump signed the contentious One Big Beautiful Bill into law, which aimed to slash Medicaid funding for organizations that provide abortion services. The judge's order will remain in effect for 14 days, providing a crucial window for Planned Parenthood to challenge the legislation in court. The bill, while not explicitly naming Planned Parenthood, targets any organization primarily engaged in family planning that also offers abortions, a move that Planned Parenthood argues is an unconstitutional attempt to penalize them for providing legal abortion services. The organization emphasizes that over half of its patients rely on Medicaid for essential health services such as cancer screenings, birth control, and STI testing, not for abortions. Stripping these funds, they warn, would lead to layoffs, reduced services, and potentially the closure of clinics, particularly in underserved communities where healthcare options are already limited. In a statement, Planned Parenthood expressed gratitude for the judge's swift action, highlighting the importance of maintaining access to healthcare for their patients. However, the Trump administration remains resolute, with a White House official stating that the law is a common-sense approach to prevent taxpayer dollars from funding what they deem elective abortions. This legal confrontation is part of a broader national debate over reproductive rights, which has intensified in recent months. Just last month, the Supreme Court allowed South Carolina to block Planned Parenthood from its Medicaid program, although this ruling does not directly impact the current case. As the temporary restraining order approaches its expiration, the battle over funding and reproductive rights is far from over. Planned Parenthood's lawsuit underscores the ongoing struggle for access to reproductive health care amid shifting political tides. The organization has vowed to continue fighting against what they describe as an attack on women's health and rights, asserting their commitment to providing essential services to their patients. The outcome of this legal battle could have profound implications for Planned Parenthood and the millions of individuals who depend on their services across the country. With the court's decision pending, the future of Medicaid funding for Planned Parenthood hangs in the balance, and another legal showdown looms on the horizon. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.